Tired of being broke, you need to flip or buy and hold. Clocking in and out, your 9 to 5 is getting old. JD Boom and AC Cash, they known to get the bag. You can make your own schedule, know you liking that. Time to take the next step, take your money, invest. Know you just got that check, go sign up with J-Tech. Yeah.
Hey, Boom.
What's up, Cash?
Man, times are changing. Everybody's in the streets. Hey, do I buy real estate? Do I put it back in stocks? You seem to be excited about this stock action lately.
I'm loving it. I can't wait for us to come back with stocks. I got a bunch of...
Okay. But today, we're talking about property rental.
Yeah.
The good.
Yeah.
The bad.
The bad.
And the ugly.
Ugly.
Hey, we're going to cover some of this. Pivot Point Investors. Stick around. We're with it. Hi, I'm AC Cash, and this is
JD.
We're here on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the average investor grow his nest egg. Hey, man. Hey, welcome back.
Yes.
Welcome back
to you, sir.
Yeah, man. Been doing a lot of stuff, but right now, what's important is all about real estate, right?
Today.
Okay, that's right. I'll take it for the day, yeah.
Right now.
Because a lot of stock action, we're going to cover that.
Boy.
Oh man, so much to talk about. Yeah. But right now, there've been some events that I've been having to take care of on my real estate side.
Yeah. Boy.
Yeah, on the real estate side. And today we're talking about property rentals.
Yeah.
Right now I'm a big advocate for buying and holding. But, it ain't all pretty.
This is why I've always loved flipping. Get in and get out, get your bread. You got some tax implications, but if you do it right, you have the right write-offs to absorb it, you should be in the game.
Yeah, oh, that's cool.
Oh, yeah.
But we're not just gonna get one-sided. We're gonna do a little quick something on the good, the bad, and the ugly about property rentals.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, right about now I have to show you some ugly stuff, and they can look at some ugly stuff. But we're gonna talk about just one property. Prime example of what happens in real estate. That, if you hold it long enough, something's gonna happen. And now and then you get people who rent and don't pay. Not pretty.
How is that even? That's like an oxymoron.
I know.
Why would you even? And I know it'll be a segment of people say, well, nobody buys with the intent of not paying.
Right.
Life happens. But there are choices and options. And then if you can't afford it, you just need to move somewhere you can.
You should. Now, common sense would say, hey, can't pay, gotta go.
Yeah.
But sometimes you gotta help them go.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the bad. That's the
ugly part. That's the ugly part. Yeah. So let's just hit each one of them.
Yeah.
So in this scenario, I happen to have a duplex that, it's been very good to me. It's been good, but sometimes you go over the bump in the road.
Yeah.
And with this situation, let's talk about the good, man. I want to talk about good stuff.
Good.
Hey, with this place, had it about 3 years, and it's been a breadwinner. It's been giving passive income of about 500 per side. Each side, 500 a month. Get it, put it in the pocket, and keep it moving. That's $1,000. That's $1,000 a month, and you don't have to see them. They do either Zelle, Cash App, or rental property application that I have. And they just send the money. That's beautiful. Yeah. But now and then you got to do a little something. But we're still talking about the good stuff.
Oh yeah.
It had appreciated about $100,000 in the past couple years because, hey,
property value's been going
it's
up.
been there. You go. I want you to understand it. That's right. So the value's gone up, and instead of selling, I took the equity out, and then you keep renting. You keep getting the tax benefits, you keep getting appreciation, you keep getting that passive income, and you keep it moving.
That's right.
All that's good stuff.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And that's it, right? It's all good.
Hey, on that side,
basically,
that means
all
of that
is good.
The tax benefits, yes.
Yeah.
you know, the appreciation, yes, that's all good.
Right.
You know, the being a cash out refi, put money in your pocket for the equity.
That's right. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Because you get money in your pocket and you don't have to pay taxes on it.
Yeah, that's the pinnacle. That's the pinnacle.
That's
stuff.
right. No, you like that.
So now let's go down a level.
Huh? Oh, okay. So you're saying there's some bad.
Oh yeah.
Well, you tell me some bad. And I'll tell you.
I mean, you know, late pays.
Yep. In this situation, the lady started paying a month late. And you know, it takes a while to kick somebody out of the whole eviction process.
So with this one, she pay a month late, and she'll find a service to pay for 2 months.
Yes,
right?
Because doing all this time, there have been a lot of services that'll help you out. Yeah. She used it to her advantage.
Yes.
So it was always documents saying this agency was going to pay it, but you got to wait for your money. So she'll
get paid 2 months and then still be a month behind. Get paid 2 months and then be a month behind. So that's not fun.
Not fun at all. And then the agencies don't like to pay late fees or penalties. They just want to pay what she should have paid if she paid it on time.
Yeah.
Not a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay? And then, after a while, the lady turned into basically a squatter because the agencies weren't paying and she wasn't paying.
That's right.
Now you got to go through the process. Yeah. And that process is just what it is, a process.
Yeah. Then she's stringing you along.
Yep.
I'm going to pay next week.
Yep.
I'm going to pay next week, then 2 more weeks. I'm going to pay next week.
And even though at this point I'm not listening to that and my company's not listening to it, but you're still going through the process. It takes months. So that's pretty bad. It's pretty bad.
But then she moved in somebody on you.
Oh man, this when it gets ugly. The good, the bad.
So we were at the pinnacle.
Oh, rocking and rolling. It got a little bad. Now we deal with the ugly. You know, it's a shame how people with not a lot end up bringing on more obligations so that they have less than a little. And she moved in what I'm going to call as a squatter. A friend of hers that she moved in. Oh, she in from Louisiana. I'm just going to take care of a little while and her 2 dogs. And neither of them paying rent. That's a problem.
Real problem.
That's a problem. That's just ugly.
2 able-bodied ladies.
Yes. Yes. And as we go down this journey, you'll see how it got ugly. It got ugly. And so you have to go through the eviction process. You can do it yourself or you can hire an agency. I tend to hire agencies because I have enough things to do that following up on that, I'd rather have it in the portal and working on it and filing with the courts and keep it moving.
That's right.
It's just, you gotta pick your battles and use your time most efficiently.
That's right.
And so things just got ugly. So you have to pay court costs. If you use an attorney, if they take it to arbitration, you should have an attorney. And then they brought in pets. They brought in 2 big friggin' Rottweilers. They're not the neatest things. I know people love their dogs. And that's nice.
But for a smaller duplex,
you don't.
2-1, like that's not.
You don't need pit bulls in there. With 2 big able-bodied individuals in there. It gets crowded. And sometimes they don't wait to go potty. They just go potty. Oh yeah. You should hear the next door neighbor saying, "Oh, it's so much caca. It's caca." Oh. It got bad. It got downright ugly. You know, and so, so it costs you money. They bring in pets, and then, you know, they leave the door open and things tend to walk in when you leave the door open. So you're getting bugs that you never had. And I don't care how much you try to kill them, if they can fly right in, they're going to party for a little while until the spray hits them, you know? So all of those things are not pretty. And I guess we're showing some not pretty images right now.
Hey, man.
It gets downright ugly.
With the dollar amount. What's the dollar amount?
Oh, man. Hey, when it's said and done, this whole endeavor costs about $10,000. It costs about $10,000.
$10,000 minus out of your pocket.
Straight out the pocket, because it didn't, you know, you don't pay rent for, it dragged on for 6 months, because even when we got the sheriff's saying, okay, you got your writ to dispossessory, writ of dispossessory, easy for you to say. You got that, but then that's in June, and then they scheduled the eviction for August. So it's nothing you can do.
Yeah.
But sit there and make sure everything's still there.
That's right.
You know, make sure the refrigerator's still there.
That's
and
right.
the next thing. And I never had a refrigerator loss, so
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
But you just never know the first time will be the first
When
time.
people get desperate, man. You
They
never
do
know
desperate
what they'll do.
things.
Yeah.
So all of those things are going on. My garage door is broken.
Mm.
It bends in the middle. Got to fix that. Guy coming out tomorrow to do that. All of those things cost.
That's
I mean, the number of things, and we got pictures, but because it's a house, because it's brick or block or wood or something solid outside, because the plumbing, if they don't put anything down the drain, it shouldn't be there.
Yeah.
Plumbing okay. Your electric, if they don't break switches or blow fuses, well, no fuses, but mess up your breaker system, it'll still be there.
Yeah.
Now you're talking paint. I got a destructo floor that they couldn't mess up, so the floor can be okay. But you gotta paint it. Broke the stove, gotta replace the stove. It got costly, and that's just ugly. But those are part of the things that happen during these processes.
That's right.
How you feel about that?
Hey, man, I feel good. You know, that we've given money-saving information to our people, to our followers.
That's right.
And I'm sorry that happened to you. I feel good that she's out.
Oh man.
I'm glad, and I hate to see somebody's stuff get thrown out on the lawn.
Oh yeah.
But when you go deliberately that many months,
Yeah.
6 months, and you hadn't paid, and you just okay, like with you ain't even trying to send no bread. Like it's like
yeah. And these kind of things, sometimes you get, you know, the tenant from hell. It happens.
Look, it happened to me.
Yeah.
We haven't gone through the property I had from hell yet.
Yeah.
But we'll do that example later with pictures
Yeah.
and everything, how much it cost me. But
Yeah. And
hey,
sometimes,
gonna be in the game, that's what's gonna happen.
Yeah, and sometimes reasonable minds don't come into play.
No.
I literally did what we call cash for keys. That means you give me the key, I'll give you some money to go somewhere. Didn't want to do it. Oh no, I'm gonna come up with the money. I don't want to do it. This is my house. Lord bless me with this house. I want to stay. These are quotes. And okay, yeah, but it's not working. It's time to go.
Yeah.
This relationship does not work. It's not you, it's me. Just let me out of it.
Yeah,
It didn't work. Hey, had to get the boys in blue to come back.
Oh, they came, and boy, woo, you see what?
Yeah. Hey.
Hey,
Yeah.
man.
And you in your little fuzzy slippers when they come. It's not pretty.
Man,
You know?
You could cry.
Hey,
It's too late then. Now
It
it's
is.
like it's too late.
It is.
Like,
And you get those professional types now and then. But there's so many upsides. It's just like, it's a relationship. Sometimes you have to eat at a restaurant you didn't want to.
Yeah.
Sometimes they got you wearing matching shirts or something you didn't want to do.
Yeah.
But in the long haul, hopefully you'll be smiling in the end.
And the good thing is he did at least have revenue coming in on the other side to help.
Right.
You know, it's not like he just had a dead property.
Right.
Ain't nobody paying. So that's one of the
And
benefits with multifamily.
For sure. That's why I love minimally a duplex, because the other side carries a note.
Yeah.
And then your gravy's on the other side.
That's right.
So, you know, you get less, but you're still in the game.
That's right.
That's why I love it.
That's right.
That's why I love it, sir.
I got you.
Okay.
I got you.
All right.
I
Hey,
got
we're
you.
talking property rentals, the good, the bad, and sometimes
The ugly.
the ugly. Yep.
Yep.
But hey, you gotta be in the game in order to experience all those things.
That's right.
But when you get the information, when you're educated, when you're informed, it's not such a bad journey because you know it's better on the other side.
That's right. Okay.
Well, we just touch on that. We'll leave it right there.
We'll put a pin in it.
Yeah,
you
because
know,
we got so much of this journey to talk about.
Yeah.
And we'll cover those stocks that you are
yeah.
so happy that they're perking up.
Can't wait.
Okay, good stuff. Hey, we're talking property rentals. We're talking the good, the bad, and the ugly. And in this case, it got downright ugly.
That's right.
But hey, the best is yet to come.
That's right.
All right, Pivot Point Investors, are you good, sir?
I'm good.
Oh man, that's great. Hey, we want you to stay informed and stay getting what? The money, more money. Pivot Point Investors, we do our best to bring it to you so that you're not doing like this person crying.
No.
Yeah, it got pretty ugly.
Yeah,
It got
yeah,
pretty ugly.
yeah.
Pivot Point Investors, we're out of here.